Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Citigroup step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your financial information. Collect your income details, including salary, bonuses, and any side earnings. List all your monthly expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and insurance. Identify variable expenses like entertainment, dining, and shopping. Use Citigroup's budgeting tools by logging into your online account. Navigate to the budgeting section on your account dashboard. Set up a new budget by entering your total income and expenses. Allocate funds to each category based on your financial goals. Adjust as necessary, ensuring your expenditures do not exceed your income. Monitor your spending regularly through Citigroup's mobile app. Review your budget monthly to track your progress. Make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your financial goals. Set reminders for bill payments to avoid late fees. Utilize Citigroup's alerts to stay informed about your account balances. Consider using Citigroup's savings tools for future financial goals. Always keep an emergency fund in mind for unexpected expenses. Stay disciplined and committed to your budgeting plan for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.